Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open PNC bank account online. PNC bank tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in the website of PNC. So you just simply need to go to your browser on any device, go to pnc.com, and then you will be prompted right here. So from here, you can go here in a personal tab, or you can also go for small business if you are a small business, and then you can open your bank account from here. But in this tutorial, we'll just be going with the personal one. So from here in the personal, you want to click here on products and services. And from here, you have a lot of accounts to choose from. So you have virtual wallet, checking, savings, credit cards, online and mobile banking, ATM banking, student, military, workplace, choice, and so on. So depending on what kind of bank account that you would need, it would have different requirements and slightly different process on how you can open them. But in this tutorial, we'll just be going with the savings account. So let's click on savings, and then from here we would need to provide our zip code, but in my case I have already provided it, so it didn't ask again. But if it's your first time that it would ask for your zip code, it is very important that you provide the right one, because the features or the offers would vary depending on your location. And from here on the PNC savings, you can compare the savings account if you'd want to. You'd have the virtual wallet account, premier money market, standard savings, the certificate of deposit, and so on right here. So you can click here on check rates in each one of them if you would want to check the rates, if you're interested on how much rate interest you are getting in an account. But for the sake of the tutorial, let's just proceed with the application. So we're just gonna go here with the standard savings. So click here on apply now to begin the application process. So now here we are in the standard savings application process. So here are what you will need right here for this savings account. So first is the age and citizenship, government issued photo ID, and personal information. This is basically the basics or the fundamentals on the requirements on what you would need to open a bank account. And take note that this might vary depending on the kind of account that you are opening here in PNC. So now to get started is, are you on existing PNC customers? So in my case, I'll just go for no. And then you can also add a co-applicant if you would want to. In my case, I wouldn't. So I'm just gonna click here on next. And then after that, we will now be prompted here into the steps 1 to 5. So the first one is tell us about yourself. These are all of your personal informations right here. First name, middle name, last name, suffix, date of birth, and so on, your address, and your ID. And then next would be the review and submit. So you would need to double check the information that you have submitted, the terms and conditions of the bank, and then the purpose of account right here. It's very simple. And then after that, you can now start banking. So all of this basically are just very simple process, and all of this are just personal informations. So it would depend on what you need and the kind of account that you are opening here in PNC. So I couldn't really pinpoint exactly on what you should do, but you don't have to worry because it is a very simple. All you have to do is just follow the instructions carefully, and as long as you have all the requirements of that certain account or bank account here in PNC, then you should be all good, because all you have to do is provide the information that was asked of you, and you could already see the information that they'll be asking before you started this process. So yeah, that is basically it for this video on how you can open your PNC bank account. Thank you for watching.